Hanna is a Ukrainian artist whose work we were concerned would not arrive in time. As soon as the jurors had made the initial selections, it was obvious Hanna's work was going to be included, so we contacted her to ask if she was able to send it over. This was about the time Putin had decided to invade Ukraine, so it was a very worrying time for her. She had other things on her mind from Tapestry exhibitions. Eventually we heard from Hanna via Instagram, and she said she could get back to Kyiv to send the work. And then we waited, and we waited. We went and put up the show at Fairfield Mill without the work and came home a week later. The following day, Hanna's Tapestry arrived. We sent it immediately up to Fairfield and the exhibition was complete. We are so pleased to be able to include her work in the show. We are not sure how we will get it back to her, but we can keep it safe for as long as necessary. Hanna learned her craft at Kyiv State Academy of Decorative, Applied Arts and Design. She truly has learned her craft. Technically, the work is excellent, and visually, it is such an arresting image. You can see influences of Hanna's cultural heritage in the small textile forms in the background, bringing traditional symbols to a modern piece of art. The tapestry has this central theme of female form, which it encapsulates in its cylinder of forces embodying nature, which are manifested in the raging elements that surround her. All is subordinated to this central figure, which is slightly ambiguous herself. Is she falling? Is she climbing? Or is she floating in these elements? In perfect balance, whilst the tempest surrounds her,